Welcome to a moment of peace. In the next few minutes, we'll take a journey together to release stress and find tranquility within. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position, whether sitting or lying down, allowing your body to be fully supported. Take a deep breath in through your nose, counting to 4, and exhale slowly through your mouth, counting to 6. Feel your shoulders relaxing with each breath, melting away from your ears. Again, breathe in for 4 and out for 6. Notice how your body feels heavier with each exhale, sinking deeper into support beneath you. Your hands can rest gently on your lap or by your sides, palms facing upward to symbolize your openness to receive calm. Now, bring your attention to any areas holding tension, perhaps your forehead, jaw, or shoulders. As you breathe in, imagine fresh energy flowing to these areas. As you breathe out, feel the tension dissolving, floating away like clouds in a gentle breeze. Visualize a warm, golden light entering through the crown of your head with each inhale. This healing light flows downward, touching every part of your body, your neck, shoulders, chest, abdomen, hips, legs, all the way to your feet. With each exhale, any remaining stress transforms into a dark mist that leaves your body, carrying away worries and tension. For the next few breaths, simply observe the natural rhythm of your breathing. No need to control it. Just witness the gentle rise and fall of your chest, the cool air entering your nostrils, and the warm air leaving your body. As you continue breathing naturally, imagine you're sitting by a peaceful stream. The water flows gently, carrying away fallen leaves. Just like this stream, allow your thoughts to flow by without holding on to them. They come and they go, while you remain centered in stillness. Begin to bring gentle awareness to your surroundings. Feel the temperature of the air against your skin. Notice any sounds in the distance. Wiggle your fingers and toes, reawakening your body with small movements. The peace you've cultivated is always within you, accessible whenever you need it. You can return to this calm center anytime through your breath. Carry this tranquility with you as you continue your day. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, returning to the present moment with renewed clarity and calmness.